Hello there, boys and girls. So today we are talking about plants, parts of the plant. Now today we are going to talk about the leaf. Yes, now the leaf is a part of the plant and leaves are very important to the plant. Yes, leaves have different shapes, different sizes, and they have different colors. Now here I have a leaf. It's shaped like a heart, right? Yes, the leaves have different shapes. Yes, look at this one. Yes, different shapes. Look at that. So leaves are of different shapes. Also, leaves are of different sizes. This leaf is very long. And here I have a short one, so long and short. Leaves are of different sizes. Some are long and some are short. And leaves have different colors. Look at this one. It has a red, a purplish color with a green. This leaf here, here's another green one. Yes. Here we have a pink and green leaf. So leaves have different shape, different sizes, and they are of different colors. Look at this big leaf here. Yes. It's a red one and a gold leaf. Yes. Now we're going to do a collage. Not a collage, a frottage. So we're going to do a frottage where we put the leaf behind the paper and put it on it, and then we're going to color. This is our frottage. We want to get the formation of the leaf. Yes, look at that. You see it coming out? Yes. And I know you're enjoying this activity. So get a leaf, a big leaf, and you're going to use your crayon to form out the leaf there. Getting a different texture. Look at that. You see the lines coming out? Forming the leaf. And you can do it on your small leaves as well. So you can get your small leaves and you can put it there on a different paper and you color it out. Look at that. You see it coming out? Yes. Let me show you. This is our frottage. Very pretty. So you are going to color, put the leaf behind the page like this and color it. So color it all around until you see the formation of the leaf coming out like that. And this is our activity for today. Have fun, boys and girls.